Hey everyone, a new watch rivals video. So I got 2 out of the 9 watches I ordered in the AliExpress March anniversary sale and a strap. I just feel like shipping is taking a little longer this time around. So let's start with the Pagani design Tiffany blue Tudor Black Bay Homage. Alright, so I'll be honest, I fell for the Tudor style hands and the Tiffany blue hype that's going on now on AliExpress and the paddock world. So you get a black PVD strap. I wish they would do something else other than black and gray, and I wish they would actually give you something that matches the hardware instead of black PVD. But free is free. So now onto the watch. I don't know if we could look closely, but what I've been seeing online is, I think I have the same issue, is that the hands are whiter than the indices, right? So the hands are pretty crystal white, and the indices are kind of like creamier, off-whitish. And I'll post a loom shot, and the loom doesn't last very quickly. And the bracelet here is also another issue. So let's see here. So it doesn't taper, right? That's my main issue with everything. No matter what brand, if it doesn't taper, it's not a fan. So it's brushed in the middle and polished on the sides. And I feel like I'm going to have to try to see if my Pagani Design OP Homage, if the bracelet fits on this. I hope it does, because that's all brushed. But I don't know. I feel like maybe I overpaid a little bit. Maybe $20 I overpaid. So if this watch was $70, I think would have been ideal. I mean, here, see, in certain like angles, it looks a little greenish, but then it looks blue, like a light blue. So I don't know. I'm gonna put it on the wrist and have a review for you guys in the coming weeks. So make sure to subscribe for that one. Okay, so next is this $8 rubber strap from Pagani Design. You'll probably recognize it from the Daytonas. So it's quick release and it's 18 millimeters. This is actually going on to my Timex Archive Collection dive watch piece. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting some wrist shots with that combination on there. Alright, now finally, the Addiesdive. I picked this up for $126. It's a Blue Dial Explorer Homage on a leather strap. I probably should have splurged the extra $30 for the bracelet, but I don't know what I was thinking. But actually, you know what? This looks pretty nice. This kind of like artisan blue strap here looks pretty nice. And it's like more of like a serious blue dial after seeing the Pagani Design Tiffany blue. I don't know. I think this has some potential here. Looks pretty good on the wrist too. It's kind of interesting I got these 2 watches first, because the blues are on opposite ends of the spectrum. And you know, these were the first 2 I got out of the 9 I ordered. But I think now with the warmer weather, I think they'll do pretty well. I just wish this Pagani got here before Easter, because it would have been a nice like Easter kind of watch, that pastel blue. But make sure to subscribe, because I'm still waiting on 7 more watches to come in from the AliExpress anniversary sale. And I will be doing full reviews of those watches as well as these. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.